Hey Randall, this is Andre. Good morning to you. I just want to send you a quick video on tips and tricks. Okay, so first thing first, if you type, quote, or if you hit F4 in your icon, and then let's say if I want to drill down something. So let's say if I want to trade web pricing, trade web, and then enter. So what you have is a trade web index, okay, like an index in the book. You see the first page, and then you get what page a particular topic is being discussed. So let's say, for example, I want depot rates. I just simply double click inside the bracket, and then yeah, just drill down like that. Simply double click, okay, and then you can go back, okay. So the same thing for let's say if you're looking for some Singapore instruments, but you know that the particular instrument is Singapore list instrument, but you don't know how to find it. Okay, so what I do is Singapore, enter. Then here is a speed guide of Singapore. You can look for money market, equity, or any related guides. And again, same thing. What you do is simply double click inside the parenthesis, and then double click again to get, like the particular instrument that you want. Okay. And so yeah, so that's trick number one. And number two, for this, let's say for example, this I want to do bond search. So this is the keyword here, Gov search, GOVSRCH. Okay, and then launch the app. All right, so yeah, that's tips for you, and let me know if you have any question.